Hello. So this is a how-to guide to use generic journal template that I've made. So if you're seeing this ready new Notion, you could just duplicate it on the right, top right. There's a duplicate button, and then we'll get started. So I'm just gonna run through all of the needs that you had to modify according to your needs, so that you could just make your own version of utilizing your journal for better use. Okay, so for daily checklist, pre-trade checklist, and also all the things, you need to modify it according to your needs. Okay, let's say you want to use and you want to create another journal like basic journal. What you want to see here is you click this one. So this is a template. Okay, and then you fill out all of the things right here on the attribute. The most important part, as you can see, this is all automated based on the trade journals that we have made. So let's say for the data part, click on the personal, and you've seen that it's been automatically reduced to 60%. Why? Because it's been tagged as a loss since we don't have fill it yet for the position part, R part, result, risk, session, and stuff. So you could just fill it accordingly. Let's say for the month January, pair for BTC, position is a long, RR is a 2 to 1. Let's say it's a win, and then let's say it's a risk for 1 risk. So the final R is 2. Let's say we change it to 2. The final R is 4. And we can see the progress bar and also the win rate is also updated automatically. So you don't need to modify this part because it's been automatically based on a formula. You just need to fill out the rest. Okay, trading type, let's say it's a plan or impulsive based on your gut feeling. If you just want to trade immediately without any plan whatsoever, it's called impulsive. But you have a if you have a pre-plan beforehand, it's called plan. Okay, and for the confluence, you could just make new ones, and if you don't want to use it, you could just delete it. Let's say I want to make a new one. Let's say for EMA cross. Okay, that's for the confluence. Pre-trade analysis. So you could just read what I've made here. Let's say, what do you expect on a trade? Price immediately dump. Wait. So for the pre-trade, let's say that BTC is on resistance band. Okay, and then EMA on higher time frame is performing a cross. Let's say a dead cross for people that don't really know. For normally that cross means that the price might be dumping. For the golden cross, price might be pumping. Okay, it's a simple idiotic term, but yeah, just for the purpose. Okay, so entry details. What do you want to entry? When EMA on LTF, let's say M15, perform a cross. What kind of additional confluence do you want to see? Let's say that with the cross, I want to also see a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, something like that. Okay, exit detail. What's your target? Let's say it's a fix to our trade with invalidation just above EMA cross, because let's say we are shorting. Okay, then what happens if the trade doesn't go as planned as you wanted in the first place? Let's say that you don't really like set and forget, but you check it periodically. So what happens in between? Let's say that if mid process price mean reverts and perform break of structure, I want to either close the trade or set invalidation to break even, something like that. So it's up to you. Okay, and then post trade analysis. What happens after the trade? What do you see? Like, give it a detailed version of what post trade analysis that you made. Let's say that if you already closed early and then the price went into your profit area, you should just fill it out detailedly why you paper handed, what happened between there. Are you scared that the price suddenly surge with those god candles, and then uh, lower time frame it seems like the candles are weakening or something like that. Just fill out the detailed version, because at the end of the day those detailed journals will come to help you to know what you should do, what you should not do in the future. So the more detailed the better. Okay. Okay, so weekly result. I usually use a weekly result base, like for this week, what did I do wrong, what did I do bad, what are the notes, like notes for if I'm performing a swing setup like intra week, what are the notes that I need to remember in case that I kind of forgot those position exist, or what are the news event that I should really take more cautions in the next week, or what are the bad things that I've been performing for the last week that I need to remember, something like that. Okay. And also for the charts, I already given you some of the examples. You should just tweak it according to your needs. At the end of the day, those charts are the result of all of your journals here. So with charts, it make it easier for you to spot what are your weakness, like what session do you not prefer to trade, what part of pairs that you prefer not to use, and also what kind of position it's better for you to not do, confluence, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's all for it for the journal. I hope you use it accordingly and use it to the best that you need.